Meaning of federalism.
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 Federalism. Federalism refers to a system of government in which power is divided between a central authority and constituent political units. The result of federalism is the distribution of power and authority between the federal government and the various state or provincial governments. Under a federal system, the central government typically has limited powers and responsibilities, with most political decisions and policymaking left to the constituent political units. This distributes power more broadly and allows for greater local autonomy and customization of policies to meet the needs of specific regions or populations.